Today's video about multiple choice questions, MCQ objectives of marketing management, Department of Agriculture Business Management. Question number 1, under which concept of marketing customer remain focused? Option A marketing, option B production, option C selling, and option D product. So answer is A marketing. So always keep in mind, we under which concept of the marketing customer remains focused, that is marketing. Question number second objectives, segmentation of the customers based on factors like climate conditions and regions are known as option number A demographic segmentation, option B geographic segmentation, option C cultural segmentation, and option D administrative segmentation. So the answer is option number B geographic segmentation. Always keep in mind, segmentation of consumers based on factors like climatic conditions and regions are known as geographic segmentation. Next objective number 3, which concept of marketing maintain that the company aggressively promotes and possesses its products? So option number A marketing, option number B production, option number C product, and option D selling. So answer is selling. Always keep in mind, which concept of marketing maintains that the company aggressively promotes and purchases its products, that is selling. Next objective number 4, which of the following is the sole vehicle of the creating and delivering customer value? Option number A marketing channel, option B marketing research, option C marketing communication, and option D marketing mix. So always keep in mind, which of the following is the sole vehicle for creating and delivering customer value, that is marketing mix. Next objective number 5, SWOT analysis is analytical tool for having. So option A comparative advantages, option B comprehensions of the current overall situation of a firm, and option C competitive advantage, and option D none of the above. So the answer is option B comprehensions of the current overall situation of a firm. So always keep in mind, SWOT analysis is analytical tools for having comprehensive of current overall situation of a firm. Objective 6, next objective, the psychographic factors in market segmentation will include option number A income and occupations, option B hobbies and activities, option C sex and age, option D living standard and income. So the answer is option D living standard and income. Always keep in mind, the psychographical factors in market segmentation will include living standards and income. Next objective number 7, product management do not cover one of the following aspects. Option number A product line, option B product coordination, option C product mix, and option D PLC. So the answer is option B product coordination. So always keep in mind, product management do not cover one of the following aspects, that is product coordination. Next objective number 8, marketing concept emphasizes on option A customer oriented products, option B sales orientation, option C value creations, and option D product orientation. So the answer is option number A customer oriented products. Marketing concept emphasizes on customer oriented products. Next objectives, question number 9, skimming pricing implies option number A, experimental pricing, option B, high pricing, option C, low pricing, and option D, none of the above. So the answer is option number B, high pricing. Always keep in mind, skimming pricing implies high pricing. Next objectives, number 11, the first commandment in marketing is option A, know the customer, option B, know the market, option C, know the product, and option D, know the price. So answer is option A, know the customer. Always keep in mind, the first commandment in marketing is know the customer. Next objective, a brand is a means of option A, naming the products, option B, contents of the products, option C, packaging of the products, and option D, identifying and differentiating the company products. In here, answer is option D, identify and differentiating the company products. Always keep in mind, a brand is a means of identifying and differentiating the company products. Next objective, objective number 13, distribution channels aims at moving products from producer to option number A, ultimate consumer, option B, stockist, option C, retailers, and option D, brokers. Answer is option A, ultimate consumer. Always keep in mind, distribution channels aims at moving products from producer to ultimate consumer. Next objective, objective number 14, mass communication tools always to marketers include. So option A, advertising, option B, public relations, option C, sales promotions, and option D, all of the above. So the answer is option A, advertising. Always keep in mind, mass communication tools available to marketers includes advertising. Next objectives number 15, who coined the expression marketing mix? So here option A, Henry Fayol, option B, Peter Drucker, option C, James Clinton, and option D, Abraham Maslow. So here option C, James Clinton. Who coined the expression marketing mix? That is James Clinton.